guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are still doing our dupes series, but today we're doing some press-on nails. We are putting the Dollar Tree's Sassy and Chic nails against the Kiss Impress press-on nails. If you are interested to hear about price, application, longevity, then please keep watching. Okay guys, in today's dupe video, we are facing off Kiss Impress press-on manicure French tips with the Dollar Tree Sassy and Chic glue-on French tips. If you are new to my dupes series this year, hi, welcome. I like a good dupe, and I know a lot of other people like a good dupe too. Whether it's for money, brand, just knowledge, it's always good to know what is on the market and what products are available to interchange with each other, because sometimes it's not always about affordable products for somebody who's on a budget. It can also be about brand loyalty and or brand issues with animal cruelty and different selling points and things like that. So it's always good to have your dupe options open. In today's video, like I said, we're facing off some fake nails. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I'm about a good fake nail. I love a good glue-on nail. Like, I cannot even help it. I have even, here, I will show you. I have dedicated a highlight on my Instagram just to my glue-on nails. I love them. Whether they're like press-on nails, whether they're glue-on nails. I buy most of my fake nails from the Dollar Tree. Sassy and Chic glue-on nails. You honestly cannot beat them. I think a fake nail is sometimes a good last-minute alternative and or everyday alternative to getting a nice manicure from a salon that not all of us can afford. Just putting that out there. The Kiss Impress nails come in a wide variety of designs and such. They are lovely. You can find them at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Target, Meijer. Anywhere Kiss products are provided, you can find Impress nails. Impress nails retail anywhere from like $5 all the way up to like 10 or 15 for like the real fancy stiletto ones with like gemmies, and like you're gonna get them snagged on clothes and stuff like that. Sassy and Chic are $1 at your Dollar Tree. I will say it is sometimes hard to find the French manicures at the Dollar Tree because not all Dollar Trees keep the Frenches stocked, whereas they keep like the crazy designs stocked. If you buy them online at dollartree.com, you do have to buy them in bulk. I think a case is 36 of these. So you'd be paying $36 for a case of French tips. Assorted French tips too. You're not always going to get the same designs of French tips. Keep that in mind as well. However, I hit the jackpot at the Dollar Tree over on Bethel. Not the one by the Kroger, the one down by the Marshalls. They had all kinds of French tips. And I was going to buy more, but I already have a bunch of Dollar Tree nails that I have to get through. So I only got these because I kind of forgot what these ones looked like. So these are what the Kiss Impress nails look like. They have a little silver glitter line on them, traditional French tip, pink nail accent. When I went and I found these French tips in the Dollar Tree, I was a little unsure of what the Kiss ones looked like, so I just bought all of them. I think we're going to end up going with these ones. These are the most similar to the Kiss. They are traditional French tip pink nail part with a gold glitter band instead of a silver. In the past, I have been able to find a silver band. If you are needing silver instead of gold, they make two different kinds of regular French tips. One is a very like opaque, almost white base, like white pink base, cloudy pink base, and the other is more of a natural pink base, and then your classic white French tip. You can just take your own silver nail polish or glitter and glue on whatever accent you need. The Dollar Tree Sassy and Chic nails do not have adhesive on them. They are not press-on like the Kiss, so Sassy and Chic at the Dollar Tree also sells glue adhesive. Kiss also makes glue adhesive. I've actually kind of preferred the Sassy & Chic over time. Now that we have all of that out of the way, there is about, between these ones, there's about a $5 difference. I personally like to get 2 packs of the Sassy & Chic because I just think that it fits my nails a little bit better. You get 12 nails in the Sassy & Chic, and you get 30 nail options in the Kiss Impress nails. Along with that, you also get a prep pad, a little file, and a like wooden stick to push your cuticles back. Your girl's already cleaned her nails off, pushed the cuticle backs off camera. So we're about to get into this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Sassy & Chic on this hand, and then I'm going to do the Kiss Impress on this hand. We'll talk about final impressions or what they feel like in this video. I'm going to see if I can remember to come back at the end of this video and kind of give an update on which I thought lasted longer, because the Kiss Impress nails claim that they last 2 weeks. And in my experience, I've never been able to get the Kiss press-on nails to last 2 weeks. That's just my personal opinion. The Sassy & Chic Dollar Tree nails, they have never claimed to last any type of length. However, I have been able to get them, if I take my time in application, I've been able to get them to last a week and a half, if not 2 weeks, fully. I'm also using adhesive, so this is kind of like glue-on versus press-on, as well as a dupe for the Kiss Impress. Just letting you all know. You're going to love the Dollar Tree. If you subscribe to my channel, you're going to become a Dollar Tree lover just like me. I'm addicted. It's terrible. I just found Subway tile, peel and stick Subway tiles on DollarTree.com, so my kitchen's about to get a makeover. That's for a different time though. Alright, so what we're going to do is put the Dollar Tree nails on this hand first, then we will do the Kiss Impress nails on here second, and then we will go on our way. Using the Sassy & Chic Instant Glue, you already know that. This glue also is very liquidy, so a little goes a long way. You do have to be kind of careful. I did film a video reviewing the Sassy & Chic Dollar Tree nails a while ago. I'll put it up in the cards. I forget which side it goes on, people. I'm sorry. So I will link that video. I also like the Sassy & Chic Dollar Tree nails because they're not very long. It's a very manageable length. Ooh. It's a very manageable length, nothing too crazy. They're not going to like harm you, if you will. I will say, on any French manicure fake nail, I have had some issues with adhesive bubbling underneath the French manicure, making it look a little wonky. From far away you can't notice, but up close and personal it is a little bothersome. My solution to that, if they're glue-on, is just to add more adhesive. I know that's not always the case for everybody, but it has always generally worked out for me. If you guys have any tips on how to fix that, please let me know. Dollar Tree side on. Like I said, see, from far away you can't see any like problems or issues, but like if I put my fingers close up, I don't know if the camera's going to be able to catch it. There are some air bubbles as well as some glue on some of like around my nail and things like that. That will wear away in a couple days after washing and things like that. I would not suggest going in with acetone to clean it up because then you'll just lift the whole nail off. Like I said, in a day or two it'll wash off and it'll kind of break down, so then all that glue will go away. But they don't look bad. I don't think anybody would be able to tell that these are from the Dollar Tree, especially from back here. Like, no one would be able to tell that they are from the Dollar Tree. And that's what I like about this too, is that like, maybe you forgot your nail appointment for prom, homecoming, your wedding. Like, just pop some fake nails on. Ain't nobody gonna notice. They look good in pictures. That's all that matters. Now we're gonna do the Impress side. I do need to fit these to my fingers because I don't know which ones are going to fit and which ones aren't. Matched my nails up using the prep pad that they give you. to remove any soap and oil and whatnot. Like I said, I've already pushed my cuticles back. And then with these, there's no glue because they already come with an adhesive. There's this little tab at the very bottom. You peel that off, and where the tab was is what goes at the base of your nail. Voila. See? They look the exact same, except for the glitter. One's silver and one's gold. They're the exact same. So here they are. The gold is the Dollar Tree Sassy Chic Glue On. The silver are the Kiss Impress Press On. To be honest, I can't tell a difference. They're the exact same. I will say the Glue On feels a little bit more secure than the Kiss Impress just like stick-on adhesives. We're gonna see how they wear throughout. Like I said, I've never had success being able to keep the Kiss lashes on for a whole 2 weeks. I've only ever had like my Sassy and Chic ones last for 2 weeks. So we'll see through the wear and tear, through all the washing of the hands, because #coronavirus, this will do and go through. But honestly, people, you need to be scouring your Dollar Trees for Sassy and Chic fake nails. They have so many great designs, not just French tips that correspond to like Kiss Impress, but we're just talking about the French tips. Theoretically, you could get 3 wears out of this whole box if you fit them to your fingers right, and if you didn't mind any little like gaps or haps and things like that. You can at least get 2 wears out of 30 nails. So you get, 2 manicures for your $6.99. Whereas the Sassy and Chic, you only get 12 nails, so you're only getting 1 manicure out of 1 package for $1. I usually get 2 packs. Sometimes if I'm feeling like I really like that design, I can use these leftover nails. They don't fit as great, but if I, like I said, love the design, I will wear 2 packs. Can get me 2 wears. So $2, 2 wears. That's not too bad in the grand scheme of things. Just putting that out there. Before I check in with you guys for my update, I will link all of the products that I used, glue nails, press-on nails, in the description box below, so if you are interested, you can check them out on your own time. Have you used the Sassy and Chic press-on nail or glue-on nails? Have you used the Kiss Impress nails? Which one do you like better? Let's start a conversation in the comment section below. Let me know which one you like better. Press-on, glue-on, Dollar Tree, Kiss. Let me know all of your thoughts. Are there other brands of press-on or glue-on nails that you like that are affordable, that are better? Let me know that too, because I'm about a good glue-on fake nail. You know I'm about that fake claw life. So let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section. Hopefully I will have remembered to film an update, which will go right now. Okay guys, it has been a week since I have applied my fake nails, and they are all still here. I did not anxiously pick any of them off. It was so difficult to do. Up close and personal, this is what they look like. They're still holding up pretty well, except on the Kiss ones, you can see towards the cuticle, they're starting to lift up, which is making it unbelievably difficult to like style my hair, style my daughter's hair, because hair gets caught underneath right here and it kind of like catches on either side and gets stuck on the adhesive. So even though they're still here, because they're starting to lift up around the edges, I probably would have already picked them off by now. However, on the Dollar Tree side of things, there is no lift near the cuticles or anything like that, so I can still run them through my hair really easily. There is no lifting on any of the edges. However, I will say, which I don't think you can see on camera really well, So as you can see, some of the paint or the nail polish around the edges is starting to chip off, and on my pointer finger, one of the nails has actually chipped off. Now, we are also doing this test during coronavirus, so I have been washing and sanitizing my hands very thoroughly, so that is breaking down some of the actual plastic and adhesive that these nails are made of, but I mean, during coronavirus, all of my nails are still attached. So, are these a dupe for each other? Yes. Would I probably recommend the Sassy Chic with a nail adhesive? Yes. Only because I feel like the Impress pre-adhesive sticker nails, they just kind of, they're harder to deal with whenever like hair is getting caught in the cuticles and they're starting to lift up. However, they're both holding up a week in and neither of them are coming off. I probably will pick these off and or soak them off so that I can change them because I like to change my nails frequently. However, that is the update. I mean, they're both doing really, really well. I think that the Dollar Tree side, other than a little bit of the paint chipping off, I think for actual adhesion and like lift, the Dollar Tree nails are winning out. Putting that out there for any of you people who want to save a few bucks, because I believe that the Impress are around $6 to $10 depending on like what kind you get and how fancy they are. The Dollar Tree ones, $1, possibly $2 if you get 2 sets, and then also another $1 for the Sassy Chic glue. They come in a multitude of designs if you're getting like a full nail design, or they have a lot of different French manicure designs out there. You really can't beat it. You know I love a good Dollar Tree nail. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review, tutorial, or dupe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.